Hi everyone, welcome to Grow a Gentle Shamim. Today I will show you how to enable Shopify Data Layer. What is Data Layer? Data Layer is a JavaScript object that holds information about user actions, products, or transactions on your site, which can be passed to Google Tag Manager, GTM, or other analytics tool. This helps in tracking events like purchases and page views more effectively. Prerequisites: a Shopify store, a Google Tag Manager account if you plan to use GTM for tracking, access to edit code in Shopify, or a developer's help. Okay friends, at first you have to log in your Shopify site, and this is my site's backend. Just click here, online store, themes. Just click here, three dot, and edit code. Theme.liquid. Here is head section. Just enter. Go to your Google Tag Manager and copy this code. Go back again, Shopify backend, and paste here. And save. Then scroll down. You can see here snippets. Click on snippets. Add a new snippet. Snippet name will be Ultimate Data Layer. Then done. Here need a code. Copy this code and paste here. Then save. Asset saved. Then go back again, theme.liquid, and just enter and paste this code. Then save. Okay, it's saved. And now go back again and click on settings. Then click checkout. Then save. Okay, it's saved. Go back and let's check it working or not, and submit this. Publish. Continue. Okay, close. Go workplace and preview. Just paste here your Shopify site's URL and connect. Okay, you can see here tag assistant connected, and also here you can see window loaded, DOM ready, message, container loaded, and scroll down and click on a product. Go back. You can see that view item and buy it now. Window loaded and proceed checkout. You can see here begin checkout. So all of things are okay. That's how you enable the Shopify data layer. Now your store can pass important events to GTM or another analytics tool, allowing you to measure performance more effectively. If this video tutorial helped, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. If you need any help, then you can contact with me. I will help you anytime. Thanks for watching.